The story of the Danaides tells of 50 sisters cursed to fill a bottomless basin with water, a punishment for their crimes. In ancient mythology, these women depict the consequences of betrayal and the futility of their task. As each sister desperately tries to complete her task, they confront the weight of their actions, sensing the eternal nature of their punishment. This vivid portrayal captures not only their plight, but also reflects on themes of guilt and redemption intertwined in their tale. In this moment of anguish, each sister's despair deepens as they realize the impossible nature of their task, which symbolizes the burden of their past choices. The artwork powerfully conveys the emotional turmoil and the relentless cycle of their torment. The stormy atmosphere mirrors the internal conflict of the Danaides as they face the ghosts of their past, revealing the haunting consequences of their actions. This poignant encounter emphasizes their struggle for redemption amid their eternal punishment. Despite the overwhelming odds and torment, a flicker of defiance ignites within each sister, reminding them of their humanity. The imagery captures both their struggle against fate and the faint hope for liberation from their endless cycle of despair.